Hey there everyone, welcome to our tutorial series. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to create a Google Sheet file. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized, Google Sheets can be a game changer. So let's dive right into it. So first of all, you can open up any browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome, and visit sheets.google.com. It will open up the dashboard for your Google Sheets, and I'll click on the blank new sheet. The first thing you need to do is when you open up your Google Sheet, at least give it a name. So in this case, we're going to give it a meaningful name. We'll call this one monthly budget. All right. Now that you have a monthly budget as your name and it's beautiful, you can specify where you want to save the document. So by going on move, it shows you all the folders that you have and you specify in there, but by default it saves to your root drive. All right, now let's add some sample data. In this case, we're going to call this, since this is our monthly budget, and we're going to give it, we'll say maybe we have item and we'll have a cost. So first of all, we'll give it an item, and then I'll say maybe vehicle maintenance. We can just say maint, and then we'll go like grocery shopping. Mind my spellings. Grocery shoppings, and then you can say library membership. All right. There you have it. You already have a Google Drive sheet that is taking up shape. All right, I'll put in the cost just for the sake of it. So we say vehicle maintenance, maybe we have 10,000. Let's use dollars because it's a currency that we can easily relate to at an international level. So I'll say vehicle maintenance, maybe I'll give it 70, and then grocery shoppings, I'll give it another 70. No, this should be, yeah, I'll give it 150, and then library membership, I'll give it 15. All right, and then lastly, we can come up with a total, and here is where we're going to have the total cost for this. Another good feature that is very interesting with Google Sheets is the share button. So when you click on the share button, you can write in the email for whoever you want to share with. So in this case, I can say maybe I want to share with jodo@example.com, and I can give them these levels. For viewer, they can only view; commenter, they can comment; or editor, they can be part of myself as an editor, and we can collaboratively work on it. So, and there you have it. So creating a Google Sheet is a breeze. You can use it for budgeting, project management, and also data analysis, and so much more. I use it with my wife for financial check, and it helps us a lot. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this one. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, where I'm going to be showing you how we can automatically come up with the total cost for this with a formula that simply calculates all this. Until next time, see you soon.